one of our kitchen cabinets was literally coming apart at the seams. So I decided to fix it. It's a pretty easy fix, just use some wood glue and tap it together. I've taken the sound out of this edit and I'm just doing a voice over. Just thought it would be easier. Wood glue is a fantastic product. You can use it on almost anything. Doesn't even have to be wood. Just rub in the excess into the holes, and once you've done that, it's fantastic because it dries clear, and you can wipe it with a damp cloth once you're done. Now we'll move into normal sound. Now let's see how this works. Does work. Well, as you saw, I just put some wood glue in there, and I've got my trusty bit of timber and a hammer, and this should just tap into place. Brilliant. All it takes is a damp cloth to clean off the excess glue. And what was a big gap is now a zero gap. There we go. Thanks for watching.